Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by picking a firm apple and removing any soft spots. This ensures longer shelf life. Once chosen, wash the apple under cold running water to remove debris and pesticides, then dry it completely. Moisture speeds spoilage. If you plan sliced snacks, core and cut the apple now into even pieces. If whole, leave stem intact to reduce bruising. Make sure to use a sharp knife for clean cuts, because ragged edges brown faster and trap bacteria. Once sliced, immediately toss pieces in a light lemon or citrus solution, about 0.5 to 1 tablespoon per apple, because acid slows enzymatic browning. Make sure to distribute the juice evenly but don't soak the fruit. Excess liquid wets the container. Arrange slices snugly, single layer if possible, and wrap loosely with parchment or plastic to limit oxygen exposure. For whole apples, wrap the stem area with paper. Also place 1 or 2. You finish by sealing the apple in a small airtight snack box and placing it in the refrigerator set between 1 and 4 degrees C. Cold slows spoilage. Make sure to label the box with the date so you use the oldest first and plan to eat sliced apples within 24 to 48 hours. If you notice only slight browning, recut the surface and rinse with water before eating. But if the apple is mushy or smells off, discard it. Safety over salvage. Always.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.